Essay on my cycle. My father had bought a tricycle for me when I was 2 years old. Yesterday, he presented me a bicycle on my 7th birthday. My cycle is red in color with a black seat. The wheels have thick and strong tires. The handlebar has a tiny bell and a small mirror. There is a small basket hanging from it. I can carry my school bag in it. I learned to ride a bicycle last year after my friend bought hers. Everyone must know how to ride a cycle. It is really useful. I go to the market and post office nearby to do small errands for my mother. Even though I like to cycle, I am very careful on the road. I shall take great care of my cycle and always keep it clean and shiny. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.